Welcome, wellness seekers and curious minds, to our series on sleep and holistic wellness. Imagine a world where you wake up every morning feeling refreshed, full of energy, and ready to face the day. This isn't a far-off dream, but a potential reality when we understand and harness the power of sleep. Sleep, often overlooked, is a key pillar of holistic wellness, alongside nutrition and exercise. It is a vital, often neglected component of every person's overall health and well-being. It is during sleep that the body repairs itself, rejuvenates, and resets for the next day. Sleep is also crucial for our mental health, helping to regulate mood and consolidate memories. In this series, we aim to illuminate the importance of sleep and how it interplays with our overall wellness. As we delve deeper into this series, we will explore the fascinating world of sleep and its profound impact on our lives. Sleep, a seemingly simple process, is a complex and vital part of our lives. Let's unravel this enigma and delve into the basics of sleep. Sleep can be divided into two main types: rapid eye movement, or REM sleep, and non-rapid eye movement, or non-REM sleep. Each of these stages plays a unique role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. Non-REM sleep is further broken down into three stages. The first stage is a transition phase between wakefulness and sleep. It's during this brief time that we drift off and can be easily awakened. The second stage of non-REM sleep is when our heart rate slows down and body temperature drops. This is the stage where we spend the majority of our sleep. The third and final stage of non-REM sleep is often referred to as deep sleep. This is the most restorative stage of sleep, where the body repairs muscles and tissues, stimulates growth and development, boosts immune function, and builds up energy for the day ahead. Then we transition into REM sleep, which typically occurs around 90 minutes after we fall asleep. This is the stage where most dreaming occurs. Our eyes move rapidly in different directions, heart rate and blood pressure increase, and our breathing becomes fast and irregular. REM sleep plays a key role in learning and memory function, as it's thought to be involved in the process of storing memories, learning, and balancing our mood. The fascinating part is that we cycle through these stages of sleep approximately every 90 to 110 minutes and repeat this cycle 4 to 5 times per night. Isn't it amazing how our bodies work while we're blissfully unaware, tucked in our beds? Now, you might be wondering how much sleep is enough. Well, the answer varies depending on our age. Newborns require up to 17 hours of sleep per day. Infants should aim for 12 to 16 hours, including naps. Preschoolers need between 10 to 13 hours, while school-aged children should strive for 9 to 12 hours. Teenagers need 8 to 10 hours, and for us adults, including the elderly, 7 to 8 hours is recommended. But remember, these are just recommendations. The quality of sleep is as important, if not more, than the quantity. Ensuring you cycle through all the stages of sleep is crucial for waking up refreshed and rejuvenated. In conclusion, sleep is not a single, uniform state, but a dynamic process involving various stages, each with its own importance. It's not simply about switching off for a few hours, but about allowing our bodies to perform essential maintenance and repair work. It's about providing our minds with the opportunity to process and store the day's experiences. Understanding the basics of sleep is the first step towards appreciating its role in our holistic wellness. So let's prioritize sleep and give it the importance it deserves in our daily routines. After all, good sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Sleep is not just about resting your body, it's about nurturing your mind and soul too. Let's dive deeper into this intricate and fascinating connection. You see, sleep is not an isolated phenomenon. It's a central pillar of our holistic wellness, deeply connected with our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Picture a tree. Just as a tree relies on its roots for nourishment to survive and flourish, our overall health and well-being depend on a good night's sleep. Like the tree, we need sleep to regenerate, to grow, and to stay strong. Let's start with the physical aspect. Our bodies are not just inert vessels. They are dynamic, constantly changing, and adapting systems. During sleep, our bodies undergo numerous processes, including muscle repair, memory consolidation, and the release of hormones that regulate growth and appetite. Sleep is the time when our bodies heal and rejuvenate, preparing for the challenges of a new day. Now, let's move on to our mental well-being. We've all experienced that foggy feeling after a night of poor sleep. That's because sleep plays a crucial role in our cognitive functions. It affects our ability to concentrate, to learn new things, and to make decisions. It's during sleep that our brain sorts and stores the information from the day, like a librarian putting books back on the shelves. Without ample sleep, our mental library can become a chaotic mess, making it harder to retrieve the information we need. And then there's the emotional aspect. Have you ever noticed how everything seems a bit brighter after a good night's sleep? That's because sleep impacts our mood and our emotional resilience. When we're well rested, we're better equipped to handle stress, to stay positive, and to enjoy life. On the flip side, a lack of sleep can lead to feelings of irritability, anxiety, and even depression. Sleep also plays a pivotal role in other areas of our lives. It affects our productivity, creativity, and overall health. A well-rested individual is more likely to be productive and creative, able to think outside the box and solve problems effectively. And let's not forget that chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to serious health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. So, you see, sleep is not just a passive state of rest. It's an active state of healing, of growth, and of preparation. It's a vital component of our overall health and well-being, intricately connected with every aspect of our lives. In the grand scheme of holistic wellness, sleep is not an optional luxury, it's a non-negotiable necessity. It's the foundation upon which we build our health, our happiness, and our lives. As we journey through this series, let's remember this fundamental truth. The quality of our sleep directly influences the quality of our lives. Sleep deprivation is not just about feeling tired. It has far-reaching implications. Imagine running a machine continuously without giving it a moment's rest. Over time, it would naturally wear down and malfunction. The human body is no different. It needs sleep to repair, rejuvenate, and prepare for the challenges of the next day. Now let's delve into the potential consequences of inadequate or poor quality sleep. Firstly, it impacts your cognitive function. It's like trying to drive through a dense fog. Your reaction times slow down, your memory gets fuzzy, and your decision-making skills falter. You're more likely to make mistakes, miss important details, and struggle with problem-solving tasks. Secondly, poor sleep wreaks havoc on your mood. It's no coincidence that after a sleepless night, the world seems grayer. You may feel irritable, anxious, or even depressed. Your emotional resilience takes a hit, and coping with stress becomes an uphill battle. Thirdly, let's talk about physical health. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to a host of medical conditions. It can compromise your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. It can increase your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. In fact, it can even affect your body's ability to regulate hunger and satiety, leading to overeating and weight gain. And finally, poor sleep affects your overall quality of life. Imagine dragging yourself through the day, feeling perpetually tired and unengaged. It can strain your relationships, hinder your productivity, and dampen your zest for life. Sleep deprivation doesn't just steal your energy, it chips away at your health, your mental sharpness, and your happiness. It's a silent thief that lurks in the shadows, often unnoticed, until the damage is done. So let's not underestimate the importance of a good night's sleep. It's not a luxury, but a necessity. It's the foundation on which we build our health, our well-being, and our lives. Poor sleep is a silent thief that robs us of our health and happiness. Let's ensure we do all we can to guard against it for our sake and for the sake of those we care about. Our journey today into the world of sleep and its impact on holistic wellness has been enlightening. We've dived deep into the stages of sleep and understood their significance for different age groups. We've unraveled the intricate connections between sleep and our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. We've also shed light on the potential perils of poor sleep, from cognitive impairment to mood swings and physical health risks. Our exploration, however, doesn't end here. In our next video, we'll delve into the practical side of things, providing you with tangible strategies to enhance the quality of your sleep. Because knowledge, after all, is only as good as its application. We invite you to continue this journey with us. Please share your thoughts and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, prioritize your sleep and embrace wellness.